For an academic, a KTP is always attractive. The attraction is pushing the boundaries, extending their expertise in order to solve that problem that the company presents here.
Terumo Aortic is a global medical device company dedicated to developing solutions for aortic and peripheral vascular disease. Their complete portfolio includes a treatment for thoracic, abdominal and peripheral aneurysms, acute and chronic dissections, and peripheral occlusions. From manufacturing bases in the United Kingdom and United States, their products are exported to over 100 countries. To enable future exploitation of new clinical opportunities, they partnered with the University of Strathclyde through Innovate UK's knowledge transfer partnerships.
We needed a KTP because we had a raw material that we were using for 30 years and we knew how to process it, but we didn't fully understand how the chemistry of that material impacted on our process.
Going forward, we should have a material that's better understood, more well behaved, which means that we should be able to meet the growing volumes of the business.
The biggest outcome from this KTP was the in-depth knowledge we have for that raw material, because what that allows us to do is to go back into the process and look at incorporating accurate process controls, which will make that process more efficient and give us a better outcome in terms of yield and profitability.
It has an environmental and sustainability impact because there's obviously less wastage. If they're rejecting less finished grafts, more are going through to market, then that has an impact on the bottom line.
We're currently supporting validation of a new material.
We're going to leverage what we've learned from this KTP to try and bring in drugs to our device that may have therapeutic benefits for the patient as well.
Personally, it meant I got a job at the end of it, which is always good.
Collaboration with Terumo has also seen another of my PhD students now employed with the company, and we've also been able to undertake a number of undergraduate student projects, so there's quite an impact on our teaching.
It certainly made me much more enthusiastic to even more KTPs. They're a great chance to do something just slightly different with the knowledge you have.
We are actively looking at another KTP because we see the financial benefits that we get from those.
I would undoubtedly recommend KTPs to other academics. Myself, I've been involved since 16. I think they're a great opportunity for academics to establish impact and work at the cutting edge of some really high-powered science.
Whether you are looking to come from industry and go to academia or go the other way, it really gives you the ultimate position to sit in the middle and see which way you really like to go.
I would absolutely recommend KTP. You get very cost-effective research, and probably the biggest bonus is at the end of it you get an associate who is part of your business and who you know is going to embed that knowledge for years to come.
Knowledge transfer partnerships with the University of Strathclyde are supported by the West of Scotland KTP Centre, which is recognised as a UK Centre of Excellence.